In the quaint little town of Maplewood lived Jake, a teenager with a carefree spirit and a knack for procrastination. Jake spent his days avoiding responsibilities, often indulging in daydreams about adventures he would undertake someday. All that changed when he crossed paths with Mr. Carter, an old man known for his wisdom and life-changing advice. Mr. Carter saw potential in Jake and decided to share an insightful lesson, one that revolved around a simple hourglass. Placing the hourglass gently into Jake's hand, Mr. Carter explained, "This hourglass represents life. The sand within it symbolizes time, forever flowing and never pausing." Intrigued but somewhat skeptical, Jake listened as Mr. Carter challenged him. Mr. Carter asked Jake to understand the value of time by meeting 3 townsfolk who had learned to appreciate it. First, Jake met Ethan, the farmer, whose fields stretched as far as the eye could see. Ethan spoke of seasons where a slight delay in planting his crops resulted in disappointing harvests. "I learned the hard way that time waits for no one. You must act when the moment is right," Ethan emphasized, his sincere eyes reflecting wisdom. Next, Jake visited Emma, the local school teacher. She recounted how fear of failure had once led her to delay her dream of teaching. "I waited and waited for things to be perfect, but there's rarely a perfect moment," she said with a warm smile. "Had I not embraced courage, I might have missed the opportunity to do what I truly love." Finally, Jake spoke with Mike, a retired firefighter. Mike had spent his life saving others, always aware of the unpredictability of time. "Each second could be the difference between life and death. I found peace and fulfillment in using every moment to help and protect others," Mike explained, his voice imbued with deep conviction. Inspired by their stories, Jake found himself transformed. No longer a passive dreamer, he embraced a newfound focus and discipline. He spent every day working towards his goals, cherishing each moment while extending a helping hand to others. Jake's story serves as a powerful reminder: time is a precious resource. Once it's gone forever. To live a life of meaning and purpose, we must act now. We must appreciate every moment and invest our time in actions that bring value and fulfillment.